The quantum is not new. We are only now ready. Scientific discoveries of the quantum and its aspects are not new. Rather, humans are just now becoming mentally, emotionally, and physically mature enough in their conscious awareness to use that information respectfully, to facilitate the evolution of the individual rather than to accumulate information in order to control others. This stage of evolution will not be apparent to every being or form. And that's because old, irrelevant, or non-applicable energy is transforming into useful and applicable energy that we could use now. What we experience as a dead or a defunct system is energy transforming into useful tools for this current stage. But remember that this too shall pass because we are only in the middle of it, and energy is both constant and infinite. They're kind of one and the same. As conscious awareness continues to grow, remember that those things that cannot be seen are not necessarily non-existent. So just because you can't see something or experience something doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. And what is relevant to you will become apparent to you when you are ready and able to use that information respectfully. That is, with a fully conscious application of all your skills to benefit the whole. It will benefit the whole of you, not a part of you. You know everything. You are all you need. It's been that way forever. Live deliberately. Namaste.